Hello again. Seems that using slide 6, the video I made for you guys last week, has been a hassle, I guess, for everyone, including myself and Dr. Williams. So what we want to do is actually try out a different technology. It's called VoiceThread, and I think it's a lot easier. I've used it, and I've been successful. Dr. Williams has used it. She's working on it right now as we speak, actually. So just want to show you how to use it so you can go ahead and prepare your presentations for us. What you want to go ahead and do is start out by going to your internet browser, point it to voicethread.com. Once you get to VoiceThread, you're going to want to register. Right now you can see I'm signed in, so let me go ahead and sign out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty much exactly the same. But what you want to do is to register, just go ahead and click over at the top where it says sign in or register. And it's going to bring you to another page that says sign into your account. What you want to do is over on the left, click register, and you can go ahead and enter your information. Just needs your name and email, pretty easy. Once you do that, hit register, you'll be signed in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in again using the account I created previously. Alright, so now that I'm signed in, it still shows register new account, but you can see up top that I'm signed in. It has my email address there. What you want to do is at the top, click create. And it'll bring you to a page. There's 3 steps. Super, super easy. I promise that this is something that we can all do. What you want to go ahead and do is start over at the left. Step 1 is upload. And of course, this is making the assumption that you've created your PowerPoint already using PowerPoint and saved it on your computer. I recommend, and you don't have to, but I recommend saving your PowerPoint as a PDF document because your slides can get a little jumbled once you upload them to the web, and it's not just this site, but other sites I've tried have done the same thing. So I recommend saving it as a PDF. If you need to know how, send me an email. I can show you how. What you want to do is pick My Computer, and this will bring up a window to browse your computer. I've done a test presentation right here, which I've saved as a PDF document. So I'll go ahead and select that, and it'll upload. You'll see while it's uploading over here, it just shows a blank slide. So it takes a little bit of time. Once it's up though, you will see your slides. You can see I only have 2 slides. So to go ahead and go on to the next step, just click your first slide and then click comment. Now you're going to see right here it says add a picture to this identity. You don't have to do this, but I suggest that you do. I haven't done it, obviously, because it's still on my screen, but if you don't do it every time you go into VoiceThread, it's going to ask you to do that. I'll just go ahead and say I'll do it later. I don't want to do it right now. So, what I'm going to go ahead and do is, you can see that it doesn't show my slide right now, but if I go back, it'll be to the beginning of my presentation. So you'll want to keep that in mind. Once you click comment, in general, it already starts to cycle through your slides, so you need to click this back arrow right here to get to your first slide. You'll see right here there's a play button. If it shows a pause button, you need to click that because it'll still be playing. It'll keep cycling until you pause it. I know it's a little confusing, but I hope not too much for everyone. So what you want to do is add your voice. Super easy. There's a button right here that says comment. Just click on comment. You get some options here. It says you can use your phone to make a comment. Use your webcam if you really feel fancy and you want to show your face and your voice while you're recording. I know a lot of people don't want to do that. What we're really looking for right here is the record button, and that's use your microphone to make a comment. So what you're going to want to do is just click record, and then this is going to pop up just like in slide 6. And you're going to need to click allow so VoiceThread can access your microphone. So click allow and it'll start recording. You can see right here it says stop recording. So it is recording right now. You can see the progress or the status bar down at the bottom that shows that I'm recording. So you can record as much as you want. Once you're done recording, just click stop recording. It'll say save or cancel. And it'll start recording. So as you can see, it starts to play back so you can hear it before you hit save or cancel. I just stopped it so it wouldn't play over what I just was saying, but what you want to do is listen to it. Sounds okay, hit save. If it doesn't sound okay, hit cancel and do it again. So now I've got my comment on this slide. I can go to the next slide if I want. Do the same thing again, hit record. Of course, since I already hit allow before on the first slide, I don't have to do it again. It already has access. So I'm just recording. Once I'm done, stop recording. I'll hit save, that way it doesn't start to play. So this is my 2 slides, so I'm assuming you'll have more slides than I do, but go ahead and add your comments to every slide. Once you're done, click share. Now, all you have to do here is click get a link. It'll pop up this window. Click copy the link, and the link is on your clipboard. So what you're going to want to do is go into Blackboard and paste that link. So all you got to do, of course, is open an email to Dr. Williams and myself, all section designers. Go ahead and just right click, paste, and the link will be there. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll paste it here in my browser window so you can see. Once you have your link, what it'll do is it'll send us a link, it'll load a page like this with your presentation. Here you go, you can see it's asking me for my picture again. Recording. So you can see right here it says stop recording, so it is recording right now. You hit pause real quick so you can hear my voices on this presentation, and it's pretty straightforward. I know this video is a little more confusing than the last one, but Dr. Williams has sent out some instructions for you to go ahead and follow, and this video is just a supplement to those. I hope that helps. If you have any questions,